Well, here it is. Blue's cage, all finished. Took me about 4 or 5 days. I don't know if you can see it very good. It's a really crappy camera, but there's the lights. I don't know if you can see the plants. My live plant. Obviously the flower vines aren't real. The waterfall drains. I don't know if you can see it under there. And it gets pumped to the top. And it goes down the waterfall. But I don't have a pump yet. Get it probably a couple days. And then I will make another video. Where is Blue at? I wonder. Let's see. Not bad, huh? I will make another one when I get it finished. God, them bulbs I just put in to see if it was gonna work. I didn't get the heat bulbs in yet. I'm doing that right now. Okay, see you guys tomorrow.